Hello and welcome guys to another video. In this video we will discuss about all the hair products men's need and what products to use for different hair types. So without further ado, let's get started. No BS intros exist. Firstly, what is most important is for all hair types is a good shampoo and conditioner. For shampoo and conditioner, I highly recommend to avoid following chemicals in shampoo and conditioners if you can, of course. 1.SLS 2. Paraben 3. Silicates 4. Colors. Now this being done, let's get to the real meat. First of all, let's talk about the types of hair product. Clay. Easy to mold, but once you're done styling, clay stays in place with a high hold and dries to a matte finish. Fibre. Generally providing a lighter hold than a clay or putty, fibre is good for casual, everyday texture. Putty. Not to be confused with hair paste, putty boasts a similar or slightly firmer hold but with a softer, more re-workable formula. Gel might have been popular 20 years ago, but for good reason. It delivers a strong hold and plenty of healthy shine. Hairspray. For a long time the hair styling weapon of choice for women, hairspray is creeping in as a hair product for men too. Wax delivers a firm yet pliable hold with moderate amounts of shine, although the finish can vary from product to product. Pomade. The original hair styler now comes in a variety of options, but a classic formula will deliver a generous amount of hold and a high shine. Salt spray. Best used on wet or damp hair before applying something heavier. The salt acts like a dry shampoo to absorb some grease, and delivers a textured look that you usually only get from a day at the beach. Cream. For those seeking light hold with very little shine. Best applied to towel dried hair. You'll see light control and direction without locking hair in place. Lotion. A lotion provides light control for a natural look with slight definition. A great choice for those who want a little control, a natural look and not a lot of styling product. Texture powder. Also known as volumizing powder, except texture sounds a little more manly, apparently. Shake a small amount into your palms and distribute into dry hair. Mousse. Not always a popular choice for men, but a foamy mousse will surround hair strands with chemical compounds called polymers, resulting in a fuller appearance. Texturizer. Available in a variety of formulas but most commonly as a liquid styling gel-like product. Serum. With a slick consistency, serum is used to reduce frizz and impart silkiness. Ideal for dry, brittle hair, it can soften locks. Now let's talk about hair types and products suitable for them. Hair types. Straight hair. For those lucky enough to have straight hair, there really is no restriction in terms of usable hair products. Mold. To any style with almost any product. The biggest considerations will be the amount of hold and shine you require to suit your chosen look. For matte look, Fibre. Sea salt spray. For wet look, wax pomade. Curly hair, once a target for the playground bully, is back on trend. Thick, full and textured, it can be left alone for a natural style. However, for a little more control of the hair's overall shape, apply a styling cream. You might also consider a mousse for definition, texture and a healthy looking appearance. For control, cream. Mousse for texture. Sea salt spray. Texturizer. Short hair. Given the nature of short hair, similar to straight hair, most styling products will work well here. Just consider hold and shine to suit a chosen look. For volume, paste. Putty. For texture, Fibre. Clay. Thick hair. Despite there being a plethora of men concerned with hair loss, believe it or not, some men do suffer with thick hair. Thick, weighty and dense by nature. A stronger hold styling product is required here to maintain a chosen style. A pomade or clay is your weapon of choice, depending on your required shine. For shine, pomade. For volume, clay. Putty. Thin hair. The focus for thinning or receding hair is texture and volume. No need to book in for a hair transplant just yet, gentlemen. Choose a lighter, water-based styling product to avoid weighing hair down. Solutions include a cream, mousse, or hair spray. Wax, pomade and clays are heavier and often oil-based, which will bind hair together, making it looking thinner. For that reason, these are best avoided. For volume, paste. Mousse. For texture, sea salt spray. Texture powder. With this you have gained all the knowledge about men's hair products. For more content like this, please do subscribe and like this video and check our playlist on other topics too. Until next time, peace.